Hi there.
It's a sign of things done.
That looked like I was faffing there for a second.
It did.
So here we are, just about to start. All the bikes set up. Come look at Scully's truck. It's awesome. Old fire truck. Just looks the business, doesn't it? So they're going to follow us in this truck. That's the support truck. So we've just had our briefing. What we can and can't do. No wheeling apparently, so that's alright because I can't. Got about 40 kilometres to do first on the tarmac. And then we hit the trails. This is Hazel. Say hi, Hazel. Say hi, Hazel. Hi. This is what I'm going to be on, the old gas. So as you probably know, KTM have bought gas now, and so this is the gas kind of Husky 701 replica, I suppose. It's a 701, so that's what I'm riding. And Richie Vida, he's on the Husky. That's Scully, the leader. He's the owner of Ride with Locals. That's his truck. That's Brittany from Brittany Bikes. There's Richie Vida. There's Emma Lucy Cole. So we started our trip. This is just spectacular. Oh, perfect first riding day. It's not too cold. There's enough of a fresh breeze to keep us cool enough, although I'm feeling warm at the moment, but that's just because we've been kind of just standing around waiting for everything to get sorted, and in our kit it's like 10 degrees, so it's not cold enough to stay cool whilst you're standing around. Has been pretty hot, which I think means we're going to be quite hot once we get to the off-road bit. We've got about 20-30 kilometers of doing this kind of riding now, and then we start our off-road extravaganza, so stay tuned. Scully! Clutch is gone. So just stopped after about an hour on the road so far. We're still on tarmac at the moment, but that bike just there, that's my bike there, and we just had to stop because the clutch is completely gone on my bike. Loose clutch hose that needed a running repair, so we pulled over, done that, and now everything is fixed. So we're just taking the opportunity to have some coffee, and then we're back on the road. Ride with Locals team have been awesome so far, and they're making this trip quite a special trip for us, because normally Ride with Locals would have finished their season riding last week. They've done one more week for us as a favour to Kais to run this Iceland trip, part of the Inspiring Riders programme. 5k's in, not even. We're at our first beauty spot. It's been awesome so far. Just awesome. Everything we see is epic. As you might imagine, it is in Iceland, and it really is. Apparently this is fed by the glacier, and it provides power, electricity, as the water flows down. Obviously it goes through the hydro plant, and this is where it ends up, and it provides electricity for Iceland, which is awesome. 100% of which is renewable energy. But isn't that just beautiful? Oh wow. Oh wow, wow, wow. Look at that down there. This is epic. Look at this, look, just absolutely epic. Wow, this is special. If you get a chance to come out here, whether you go ride with the locals or not, this is pretty spectacular. Oh, this is so much fun. 100 kilometers an hour. Oh, this is awesome. Just giving this bike some right absolute thrashing on some rocks. I mean, to the point where I'd be concerned that I've maybe buckled the rims a little bit, but hopefully not. just tracking back on the track that we've just been on, which was spectacular. One of the guys that's filming for us, he's lost a GoPro off his bike, so unfortunately we've had to come back out on that awesome track that we've just done. Look at this! Oh. I mean, even touring Iceland on roads like this would be spectacular, because look at the views! But we've actually been in places like that and that in there. Oh, it's been awesome. What a landscape! Look at this! Oh, it just goes for miles and miles. Oh, thank you guys, and thank you for pairing us up with Ride with locals. Oh, look at that road right into the horizon. That is amazing. Sand. Scully, go for it, mate. Fucking Scully loves it, doesn't he? Oh, oh, ah. Oh, oh, ah. So we've had one drop out, unfortunately, due to an accident. She's come off. Emma, unfortunately, she's complaining that she's hurt her neck a little bit, so we've lost one, unfortunately. So she's in the truck that's coming up now. And yeah, it's such a shame that we've lost one of the inspiring riders at the moment. Hopefully she'll be fine for tomorrow. So Scully, what he's done, he's left the motorbike in the desert here, in the volcanic ash desert, or volcanic sand desert, and we'll pick it back up tomorrow. We're only 20 kilometers away from where we need to be, so, but look at this. Look at this. Hopefully Emma will be fine to ride again tomorrow, because missing out on that is, it's a bit sad, unfortunately, but hope she's okay.
Well, for the remainder of the day, it was this type of track, just a long, isolated, volcanic sand track that just went on into the horizon and was endless. It was mile after mile. It was just epically fantastic. Couldn't get enough of this. Had such a big smile on my face whilst I was riding this track. And this is the track that led us to our mountain hut that we were going to be staying in this evening.
This is just some kind of epic, isn't it?
This was the mountain hut that we stayed in on the end of the first day. Absolutely brilliant place. This is situated right next to one of the largest glaciers in Europe that is based in Iceland. And it was just a beautiful sunset for the rest of the evening. What a way to end an absolutely epically amazing day.